Want to save time and scale your dropshipping business? Let me show you how to automate dropshipping with Zendrop in 2025. First, connect your store to Zendrop. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, this integration is quick and easy. Once connected, you can import products directly from Zendrop's supplier network with just a few clicks. Use their product search to find trending items with fast shipping options. Now, here's where automation shines. When a customer places an order, Zendrop automatically syncs it to your dashboard. You can set up auto fulfillment so Zendrop purchases the product and ships it without you lifting a finger. Tracking numbers are automatically updated in your store so you can enable auto notifications to keep customers informed. Plus, Zendrop handles inventory monitoring, so if a product goes out of stock, it pauses orders or suggests alternatives. For branding, you can enable custom invoices and packaging to keep your stores look consistent. Automating with Zendrop frees you up to focus on marketing and growing your business while the tool handles the busy work. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more dropshipping automation tips. Up next, we'll talk about Zendrop order fulfillment process in detail.